Gordon at Ionic Systems here in Australia. Just wanted to talk about water dispersal, water-fed poles, and different ways of putting water on glass through different dispersion methods. They're powered by a Trion system, which is relatively new to the Australian market, and it's the little brother of the Quattro. So on the table here we have different brush arrangements. So these are flagged, flock, split filament ends with pencil jets. So we have a high-low brush, a 370mm and a 270mm brush on the very popular mini pole. So new to the market, we also have the MoFlow adapters. So on this particular brush, if the customer was of that nature, we could put two MoFlow adapters, which I'd like to show you, for a different water dispersal method. For intricate work, we also have handheld brushes of various configurations for doing finite work. So the first hydro pole here we have today has two internal fan jets. So it's a 14-inch brush, blue flocked. If you're unaware, the hydro pole has all internal plumbing and tubing, so there's nothing external. And we have two nice fan jets to carry out that water dispersal. The second brush I'd like to talk about is very similar in size. So it's again a 14-inch brush, but instead of having two fan jets, it has two 10 pencil jet arrangements. So once again, quite a lot of water on glass. It is a 14-inch black double trim brush, which is a monofilament non-split end. The next pole or brush arrangement is a 12-inch Ionic residential head. So once again, it's a monofilament black non-split end in relation to the brush. But we've done something a bit different in regards to this. So this is all custom. So we have two MoFlow fan jets sitting above the top of that brush head assembly. So if a customer wanted, for finite work, they could direct the water flow through two pencil jets. If they're doing large curtain walls or Luca bond or structures of that nature, they can have two fan jets, pool fences, balustrade, to get quite a lot of water flow in relation to dispersal. The next assembly again is a 14-inch black double trim brush. This one we've set up primarily with the MoFlow adapters, and we've added a swivel head arrangement. So the swivel head arrangement is quite adaptable to allowing you to keep your feet firmly on the ground in one position to access all corners of that window. We have the two MoFlow nozzles sitting above that brush, and you can see the water dispersal in that application as well. And this is adapted back to Euro thread on this hydro water fed pole. If you're unaware, both the next two poles are set up standard in relation to pencil jets. So the water dispersal from them is once again quite substantial, and with water on glass we get a nice rinse and you're able to carry out that finite work. So both those brush assemblies are similar. So we have internal pencil jets on a 12-inch black double trim residential brush, and two pencil jets on a 14-inch blue flock brush. Next one is quite a bit different. So we have a 400mm pad holder. So this pad holder is also set up in a swivel arrangement, and we once again have two MoFlow adapters, spray nozzles sitting above that pad holder. So being a pad holder, it is swiveled, we can lock it out. There is a combination of pads that can go with this Velcro back 400mm pad holder, and there also is a smaller version for doing more finite work in a similar application. So that's the pad holder. And the last pole on the which is set up similar is a swift arrangement. So in relation to the larger poles, 55, 65s and 80-foot poles, we get maximum rigidity, and we've got two pencil jets on that. But with the customisation of the MoFlows, anything is possible, and we can adapt systems and principles to suit you. So any more information about how you would like to work, how you would like to put that water on the glass, get in touch today at ionicsystems.com.au. That's Ionic Systems in Australia. Thanks for watching.